At WeCP, we're moving toward a future where AI agents guide every step of hiring. This release brings that vision to life, starting with assessments and interviews. Soft skills are becoming way more critical in the AI-led world, and in this release, we've made assessing them a breeze. When it comes to communication, you can instantly measure if a candidate is a native English speaker, fluent, conversational, or just basic, without manual scoring or guesswork. Taking the soft skills mission even further, we've made it simple to understand candidates' personalities, their cognitive abilities, behavioral tendencies at work, and overall culture fitment. Know exactly how a candidate thinks, acts, and interacts before you hire. Creating skill assessments used to mean hours of manual work. Not anymore. In this release, we've made it effortless. Type what you need, and WeCP AI generates a structured, role-ready assessment immediately. No hassle. Just accurate, ready-to-use tests every time. Asking impactful follow-up questions can be tough. Now, we've made interviews smarter. Our AI companion listens live during interviews and suggests follow-up questions that dig deeper, so your team gets richer insights without extra effort. Candidate drop-offs are frustrating and costly. This update solves that by automatically scheduling reminders at the right time, ensuring higher candidate participation, without you lifting a finger. Interview feedback doesn't belong in scattered notes. You can now download clean, shareable PDFs, so your team stays aligned and decisions move faster. Constantly switching tabs between your ATS and assessment tools is frustrating, wastes your time, and breaks your workflow. We've solved that by directly integrating WeCP into your ATS, iCIMS, Zoho Recruit, TurboHire, and Workable. Now you can send assessments, review candidate results, and manage the entire hiring process without ever leaving your ATS. Less hassle, fewer clicks, faster hiring. We've introduced 4 smaller updates designed specifically to simplify your daily workflow. Now you can easily delete tests, even after invitations have been sent, keeping your test library organized and clutter-free. Candidates can now record video responses of up to 5 minutes, giving you deeper insights into their communication skills. Track exactly how your assessment credits are being used with clear, downloadable usage reports. No more guesswork. Every update brings us closer to a simpler, smarter way to assess talent. Explore these new features and see what agents-led hiring feels like.